Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about one of those birds that the moment you see, you know what it is. The tricolored munia. The tricolored munia is an estrildid finch. Small finch-like bird of weedy and grassy areas in tropical lowlands. Native to Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and southern China, the species has also introduced to the Caribbean in Trinidad, Jamaica, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, Cuba and Venezuela. Adult is handsome and striking with rusty upper parts. Black head and underparts are cut by a broad white swatch from flanks across the lower breast. Note stout grey bill. Juvenile notably plain, buffy brown overall with stout bluish grey bill. Often in small flocks, which associate readily with seedeaters and grassquits. Their calls are like locally named Hisa Kalu Wee Kurulla. I have not seen the tricolored munia. One such place you can see them is Kalundewa. These are some of the pictures of me kayaking with my mother near a lake in Kalundewa. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the Eurasian oyster catcher.